Hello everyone, welcome back to Harika's home cooking. Today I'll be sharing with you an amazing olden style recipe. It's called shrimp rich curd curry. This style is a very old fashioned and this is made by my mother-in-law. I have learned from her and she learned it from her mother-in-law. So it is passed by her older aged people. Actually they created this recipe. I don't think so many of you know this, so please do try this way. You will definitely love it, and this curry gives it an unique taste to the shrimp and also to the rich curd. So let's go into the recipe. Quickly give a glance into the recipe. So I'm having here a 1 medium-sized onion cut into cubes and 3 red chilies and 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 stem curry leaves and 1 whole rich curd peeled and chopped, and also cleaned and washed shrimp, and that is around 1 kg, maybe around 2 lbs. So I am blending my masala here. This is the important masala and important part of the curry. So take a mixie jar, add the chopped onions, cumin seeds and 3 red chilies and make into a fine paste. So I'll be adding little bit of water to make into a fine paste. So then here my wok is ready. It really is, it's warm. I'm adding 4 tablespoons of oil already in it, and now I'll be adding cumin seeds half tablespoon and mustard seeds half tablespoon. Once they start spluttering, then you'll be adding 1 red chili and also curry leaves. So make sure you're safe when you're adding curry leaves. So give it a good mix. Then add the cut rich curd pieces and little bit of turmeric and give it a good mix. Now add the paste which we already made and kept aside. So give a good mix, and we have to cook the onion paste until the raw smell completely vanishes from the onion, because if it is in raw taste we cannot eat. And this is one more, this is 1.5 tablespoon of rice flour. I'll be adding in little bit of water and kept it aside. I'll be telling you what we'll be doing next. So here I'll open my lid and cooked it for a minute or so. It was looking like this. So again add the leftover masala water in it and cook until the raw smell is totally disappeared. This is the important step. If you add quickly the shrimp will not be cooked for a long time. We shouldn't cook the shrimp for a long time because they will turn into hard. So before adding your shrimp, we have to make sure our masala is totally ready without any raw taste. And now I'm adding my shrimp. I checked the taste of the masala and it was really good. So now I'll adding the salt, how much you need for the curry according to your taste. Give it a good mix and don't add any water at this point. Just give it a good mix and close the lid. So after a while the water from the shrimp and the masala, everything oozes out well. So I'll be cooking with that water, and I also add a little bit of leftover masala water, and then again cook it by closing your lid for 2-3 minutes. After adding shrimp, we will not be cooking for longer time. So after opening the lid, I felt like my gravy consistency is very less, so I add a little bit of water, around half cup. I wanted the gravy, so to create more gravy we need to add water. So once my water comes into the boiling point, I'll be adding the rice flour mixture to make the gravy thicken. So as you can see here, I can see my bubbles coming on the top. So this is the right time to add this mixture. So keep on stirring when you're adding the mixtures, little by little, to make sure you're not adding too much paste. So this is the consistency we are looking around. If you think it's too much, you can just leave it. So after adding this paste, we need to make it boil for 1 to 2 more minutes to make sure the raw smell of the rice flour is totally disappeared. So I kept my lid half open and cooked it for 1 more minute, and that's it, your curry is almost done. So it's ready to serve now. Enjoy with rice. It really turned out yummy. Do try this. If you're really bored of your regular curries, do try this traditional way. You will love it. I'm sure you will give you a big thumbs up for this curry. If you really like my curry, please give a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.